Okay, so this is the Expedition Storm Chase truck that we've been temporarily using since mine is still broken. Giving you a look around in it. Dash mount, a dash light, CB radio. Turn those off. Yeah, mine needs a booster. The caliber needs worked on. And just it goes on and on. This is actually the battery out of it right here. I've been using for my dash light and CB since some of the wires plug-ins aren't active. Up there, CB antenna, working weather station. Yes, it works. In here is the little pad for it. Up here on the roof, got two halogen rotators. In the back, reflecting jacket. That's actually where that one's plugged in. Phone charger. Two fire bells. Why they're in here, I don't know. Extension cord. 4 road cones. In here, binoculars, walkie-talkies, some zip ties. That's about it, though. Anyway, this is a temporary truck. If you live in Shawnee, Oklahoma, and you have a job that I can do to try to get Dominator back up and going, let me know. Anyway, this is our temporary chase vehicle that we've been using. Subscribe.